Recognizing our obligations under the law. Okay, sir? Sir, ganito.
Let us follow the
Ito na ang sinasabi ko, sir, na we can do this the hard way. We can do this easy way. The easy way, sir, is for you to choose 3 people to accompany PR to the plane. May bus dyan. And you go into the plane. Okay, sir. The hard way.
What plane is this, sir?
Ma'am, chartered flight.
Chartered flight from?
Okay.
So we need
The hard
to
way.
know. We
The hard-
need to know
ma'am,
where you're
ma'am,
bringing our
ma'am.
president.
Ma'am, the hard way.
Sir, we need to know. Please give
Ma'am.
us information
Pakinig ka muna, ma'am.
where you are bringing
Wala sa pay grade ko yan, ma'am. Tagalogin na natin.
Sabihin nyo kung saan siya dalahin.
The hard way.
Tang ina ka.
The hard way.
po kami.
The hard way is for me to... This is a police operation. Ulitin natin ulit, sir. Sandali muna. Up to square one. Here is saying, I place the former president under arrest.
Daniel matanda na
Very
kailangan ng
slight,
oxygen.
and I do believe that he has to submit to me. Okay? Now, we are now taking hospital.
Alam mo, ginawa niya sila, alam niya nga yung pamilya niya, yung safety natin. Every time mag-alam siya ng war on drugs. Every time he was, he lies. War on drugs, na para lang mag-isip ang anak mo, asawa mo, mag-drugs sa kanya. Wala sa due process. Bakit ang kaya, natatakot kayo na wala nga rin nagreklamo. Hayaan mo yung ibang country ang mag-ano. Isip mo sana kayo, mag-anak kayo. May ako kayo, maging ako kayo. Diba? Sana ho naman, mag-plan kayo ng takot sa Diyos. Na ginagawa ninyo. Kailan kayo, kailan? Tasting ako. Ito ang gawain nyo. Ako nagpapasweldo sa inyo. Ako nagpapasweldo sa inyo.